Stop what you're doing and check this out. What if I told you there was a product that benefits your heart and blood vessels, reduces inflammation, supports gut health, brain health, increases immune function, and is sitting in your kitchen? It's this. Olive oil. Whoa. That's right, olive oil.
It's a superfood.
But not all olive oils are created equal, not even the extra virgin ones. The best olive oil for optimal health come from certain regions of the world. They contain a high concentration of polyphenols and micronutrients, and they're cold pressed to preserve their potency.
We're the good guys.
Here's one that I found. Olivie. It's derived from Moroccan olives, known for their potency and hearty flavor. Olivie contains a polyphenol micronutrient content that is 30 times that of typical olive oils. It can be taken as a daily supplement, combined with other olive oils for salads, soups, dips, about 1 spoonful a day, and you're on your way to a higher quality of life. It's great for everyone, but especially people like me over 65 who want to maintain optimal health and vitality. So try Olivie for your body, for your mind, for your health. Give your body the best. It's the only one you've got. For more information about Olivie, as well as other products and tips for better health, click the link. Olivie.